This is a demonstration of Wacky sound effects. You can see that I've already created some sound effect buttons. An alarm clock, a cash register, an explosion, and a police siren. Using this application is simple.
Wacky sound effects.
Select it from the menu, then press right to see a list of different sound effect options. Scroll down to the one that you'd like to do. Let's do a glass breaking. Then the pen instructs you to draw a button for that sound effect. Since I'm not a very good artist, I'm just going to write glass. Your button can be absolutely anything. Double tap when you're done. Now you can tap that button anytime to hear that sound effect. Or you can hold down on a button to hear that sound effect on repeat. You get the idea. And that is Wacky sound effects.